I like the way you stare, and around you I feel naked. I'll never be the same, don't make it complicated. So baby, do you dare? Don't.
My hair looks like a mess. Hey there, awesome people. How are you guys? It's the weekend. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. Anyway, for this video, guys, we will be reviewing a Mary Kay product, the Clear Proof Charcoal Mask. So just stick around if you are interested with it, and if you're new, welcome. And since you're already here, just hit the subscribe button. Be part of the awesome Adams family. All right, it's kind of corny, but there you go. All right, stay tuned and let's get it on. All right. And this is the product, guys. I don't know if you can see it. This is not a sponsored video. This cost me around 1,000 pesos. So let's start. The product looks like this, guys. See? It's kind of muddy. It has like a muddy texture because it's charcoal base. And the good thing about charcoal is that it pulls out the impurities and the oil, the excess oil from your face. So I'm going to try to put this product on this side of my face, and then let's see what happens. So it has like a very minty smell. Actually, it has sort of that smell or scent. And I can already feel that it is quite sticky, and then pulling out the what do you call this? Pulling out the oil on my face. There. Sorry about the noise. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god, it's kind of messy. Not kinda, it is actually. It's sort of really messy right now. You can feel that it's already drying. You're supposed to leave it for like 10 to 20 minutes. By the way, guys, I have very oily skin. Extremely oily skin, actually. If there's like a range 1 to 10, 10 being the oiliest, I would be a perfect 10. And I can already feel it's drying up my face so much, actually. Sorry, I'm looking right here because that's where I can see myself. I know you're there, right? Sorry about that. Just try to get some more product and put it here on the side of my face. A lot of you have been like telling me to maybe I'll just shave this hair off. This is called a goatee, right? But I don't know, I just like keeping it there for some reason. So yes, I can feel it drying my skin already. It's supposed to pull out the negativity from my life. I don't know if I've mentioned already, but this one costs almost 1,000 pesos. Like I said, this is not a sponsored. It's not a sponsored video. What am I doing, Adam? Oh my god, you look like a mess. So I guess that is it, guys. I don't know, it's not giving me that coverage. Well, it's not supposed to give you some coverage, I guess, because it's a mask for some reason, or maybe my face is just too oily that it sort of repels the mask itself. Transforming a rich, creamy texture to a soft, matte finish as it dries down and absorbs skin impurities. Leave on skin for 10 to 20 minutes, like I said, and rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. It indicated here. And follow with your preferred moisturizer. Of course, guys, when you are putting on mask, because it will extremely dry up your skin right after. So it is advisable that you would put moisturizer after cleansing off the mask itself. So I guess we'll just wait for maybe another 7 minutes, and then I know I look like a mess. Sorry about my face, but yeah, it's a product. It's the one that we are reviewing right now. So I'll see you in a few minutes, and then I'll tell you my initial impression is, or my review. Although I guess it is best that when you review a product, you use it for maybe a long time, a couple of weeks or maybe a week. But since it's a Mary Kay product, I have really high hopes, high expectations, because it's quite expensive basically. So that's what my face looks like, and I'll see you in a few minutes, okay? Hey awesome people, I'm back, and I just washed off the mask, the Mary Kay charcoal mask from their Clear Proof line with warm water, and this is what my face now looks like. I'm feeling kind of refreshed, although I'm feeling a bit tight around here, this area. You know that feeling when you sort of overwashed from your cleanser or something, and then it's kind of really dry, although I have some sweat in my forehead, but it does feel a little tight. So according to the instructions is that you put in your favorite moisturizer after cleansing off the mask, which I already did. And if you have been following my if you've been following my channel, then you would know that the moisturizer that I have been using for the past week or so is this one from Fresh Skin Lab Aloe Vera. It's basically like a face mist moisturizer. I don't know, it's just that sometimes when I want to feel sort of refreshed or moisturized again, or if I feel like my skin or my face has been really dull from the from the external environment or something like that, like from the sun or from the sweat and from the dirt and everything very sticky and yucky, then I usually just put this on so that I'd feel clean again on my on my face, and you can actually like touch it or feel it. So I highly recommend this, but like I said, these products may or may not work for you. At the end of the day, what sometimes certain skin types have very particular specific needs. So whatever product that has been working for you for the longest time, then of course you can stick with it. However, if you are one of those people like me who wants to be sort of like adventurous and try new stuff, every now and then of course you can just switch it off. And of course, don't forget to do a patch test or a skin test, so that to make sure that it will not give you allergies or stuff that we don't want on our skin. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention that these Mary Kay Clear Proof line, or I believe all of their products, they are non-comedogenic, which, like I said, I have been telling this for the past few vlogs, especially in all my skincare vlogs, that non-comedogenic does not clog your pores. So those are products that we want to go and try, especially with people like me, or skin which is acne prone or which is extremely prone to having some allergies and something like that. So anyway, I'll just go ahead and use this one. Yeah, I believe I've already did a review on this like maybe 2 vlogs ago. So just go ahead and wing it. Spray, spray, spray. I just love it, you guys. I mean, yeah, it's like your pores are thanking you for putting the product on. Your skin is like happy, and when your skin is happy, then it shows, right? So yeah, there's a lot of vehicles outside. Wait, let me just put some more on. There you go. I think that is it. And final thoughts? Well, not really final thoughts because I just used the mask the first time today. So far it's it's okay. I don't feel any itchiness or stinging effect or something like that. So I might as well maybe try this maybe a few days after now, because the indication says that use like 2 to 3 times a week. So currently my first impression on the Mary Kay Clear Proof Mask is, it's okay. Rate 1 to 10, I'm saying it's an 8. I just don't like the smell. It has like I've mentioned earlier, it has like a strong minty, like a menthol scent or something like that I don't like. And if you saw earlier, I have like trouble putting the mask on for some reason. I don't know, maybe the consistency of the product itself is a little bit watery for some reason, or it could be that my face earlier was too wet, or it was oily already. I don't know, but that's just me. Like I said, this may or may not work for you, so go ahead and try it on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Comment if you have anything you want to say about me or about this video or the product itself, or if you have queries. And yeah, I guess that is it, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome weekend, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.
Maybe the song make you dance, staying up until we see the day.